I think in one of the studies that I've also seen, yung mga for example, queer people who are also sex workers, mas mataas yung bayad pag meron drugs involved, no, in the sexual act, no. So isa yon sa mga possible na nakikita natin. And of course it's also related to the culture, no. Historically, even in the 1970s or 1980s, parang sinasabi nila na the LGBTQIA plus community is considered as an early adopter, no, dun sa mga novel na substances, no. Of course, it's not related to the identity per se, no, but also ano yung mga social or structural issues at that point in time that shape, no, yung use of drugs.